You've heard me share ideas on sustainable ways you can help build a better Chicago while helping fight climate change. Well, one way is by starting right in your closet and rescuing some of your old clothes. So joining me right now, Creative Living host, WLS radio personality, Jane Klaus. Jane coined the term upcrafting and has been repurposing clothes like this dress.
I know.
Wait a minute.
The dress I'm wearing.
The dress you're wearing was your husband's shirt.
Button-up men's shirt. I turned it into the cutest tank dress that you can wear, right?
It's adorable.
This is just one of the simple ideas on how you can refashion, recycle, reuse all of the cool things you may find in your closet or in the thrift store.
Well, you know what? We've talked about the No New Clothes campaign that Ginger Z has really gotten a lot of us involved in. And you have some mottos about imagine.
Well, so this is how I look at it, Tracy. If you're going to reuse, recycle, refashion, repurpose, you got to imagine, design, create. This is how we can help the environment. This is how we can help with sustainability. And when you take something old and give it a new life, you take trash and turn it into treasure. You know, they say, if it doesn't spark joy, throw it away.
Yeah.
I say, if it doesn't spark joy, don't throw it away. Turn it into something else that's useful to you. It
does spark joy. So some basic facts about throwing out those items that can be reused or recycled in fashion. You know, a lot of it is ending up in the landfills.
And that's true. And this is really what we need to think about when we're throwing out a garment. Most of our garments can be reused or recycled. 85% of them end up in a landfill.
85%. And
think about this. The average person will only wear a piece of clothing 14 times. That's not me. I wear it for years. But 14 times and then they throw it out in the trash. And when you're talking about fast fashion, that's fashion that's made over and over again to keep up with the trends. It takes 2,700 liters of water to make one cotton t-shirt.
That's unbelievable.
And then if you're throwing your garments into the landfill, it's 200 plus years to decompose.
Well, you've coined
Thank you.
the phrase upcrafting. And we have a lot of examples.
We sure do.
I know.
Yes.
But I have to show this. So this is just your basic black business skirt in front, but the party, ladies, is in the back. You did these ties.
These are ties. These are from the thrift store. They could be maybe from my dad. I'm not sure. But it's an old skirt from the thrift store. And then I added the ties. So it's like a mullet. It's a series in the front, all business in the front, and a party in the back. But the ideas are endless when it comes to repurposing and refashioning. You can use denim. You can use sweatshirts. You can use t-shirts.
These shirts you made into this quilted blanket were your mom's.
I call this a memory blanket. We've seen this before when people do it with their high school and college t-shirts. This is my mom's. These were her shirts that she wore. I wasn't going to give them away because they were used and they have dribbles on them and things like that. But I turned it into a blanket. I made one for myself. I made one for my brother when you need mommy the most. And I love the idea of a memory blanket.
Love it.
It's easy to do.
You have incredible examples here, but I want to get to so much more. We got a lot of denim.
Lots of denim.
Before we get to that, we have our lovely intern, special projects intern, Sahar here. This sweatshirt was just a black sweatshirt.
Another thrift store find. This is a black sweatshirt. I tied it up with rubber bands, dumped it in some bleach, let it soak for a little bit, and this is the result I got. That is so easy. Anybody can do that. And then I added a zipper to the back, so she is so on trend with her fashion.
She
right there. You could crop that and turn that into like a crop sweatshirt, which is all the rage these days.
I love it.
Yeah.
Let's talk about this, because you don't have to know how to sew to do this. You can use fabric glue and all of that. But this wine bag
What we're going to do is make you the most perfect hostess gift ever. We're going to make a homemade wine bag. You're going to add a opener, and so cut this. Here, I want you to cut this. Just go ahead. Don't be afraid. Cut about right there.
Here?
Yeah, just have at it. Just cut it, Tracy. And then we're going to make this wine bag. You can add in a card. You can add in a corkscrew. Okay, here we go. Now I'm going to get rid of this. Cut the other
side.
Yep, like you're cutting a pair of shorts. There you go. Now you're going to cut up the front and cut up the back. And save your scraps, because you never know when you can use your scraps for other things like denim placemats. There you go. Perfect.
Okay.
That's wonderful. Okay, so we're going to get rid of that.
Yep.
Now cut this right down the center. So you're deconstructing this pair of denim.
Old pair of jeans.
There you go. You have these laying around. Listen, you thought those jeans were going to fit. They're not going to.
No, they're not. I tried.
Let me just clean this up for you really quick, and we're just going to cut this here. We're going to bring you over to the sewing machine, and you're going to have a little spin on the sewing machine.
Well, I will do that, but we do have to wrap it up, unfortunately. But this is what the final product is going to look like. As Jane is sewing, you can find more of her fun and creative ideas on her website, too. you can go to our website, abc7chicago.com, for a link. And my gosh, she's going to be done making this bag within the next probably 30 seconds. But we got to wrap this up. So we have more for you. It's coming up after this.
Oh my God, Tracy, can she make me a denim purse?
Val wants you to make her a denim purse. You know what? It's right here. Honest to goodness.
Oh, wow.
Look how cute that is. It's like a little backpack.
That's
or a little
perfect.
It really is.
Yeah, really cute.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
So crafty.
Very.